Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by anchoring your body. Sit, plant your feet, and press your back against a chair so your limbs feel supported. Once settled, slow your breath. Inhale through your nose for a count of 5, then exhale through your mouth for 5. Repeat twice. Now do a quick 5-4-3-2-1 grounding. Name 5 things you see, 4 you can touch, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste or feel. These steps interrupt the panic loop and return oxygen to your brain. Once your immediate racing has slowed, switch to box breathing to stabilize heart rate. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4, repeat until steadier. At the same time, use progressive muscle relaxation. Tense each muscle group for 3 seconds, then release and notice the contrast. Make a brief verbal label, say, "I am having a panic response," because naming it reduces intensity. These combined steps downregulate your nervous system and give you cognitive control over the physical sensations. As sensations ease, reorient by checking facts, identify evidence for and against the catastrophic thought, and choose a calmer narrative. Make sure your breathing is steady before you rise, stand slowly and test balance. If symptoms return, repeat grounding and breathing. If panic persists beyond 15 to 20 minutes, call a trusted person or seek medical help. Troubleshooting tip: if hyperventilation continues, breathe into a cupped hand or paper bag briefly, then switch back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.